Check this out. Google's Gemma 4 running right on my PC, completely free. I just paste my meeting notes, ask for action items, and boom, done in seconds. Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to run Google's Gemma 4 right on your laptop. No subscriptions, no internet needed, and best of all, your data stays 100% private. Let's dive in. First, head over to lmstudio.ai and download LM Studio. It's free, super simple, and you don't need any coding or command line. Just install it and you're ready. Now, click the search icon on the left and type Gemma 4. You'll see different model sizes. Smaller models are faster, bigger models are more powerful. I'm using the 4B model. It's the perfect balance and runs smoothly on most PCs. Click Download, grab a coffee, and you're good to go. Now, let's try something real. I paste in my meeting notes and type extract the action items and assign owners. There's also a think mode below. Turn it on for deeper reasoning. It's a bit slower, but the results are much sharper. Now hit run. And just look at that. Every task, every owner, clean and organized. But wait, there's more. This can even understand images. I drag in a photo of a whiteboard, type summarize this, and those messy notes turn into a clean, structured summary. It's like having your own personal assistant. You also get some powerful features. Turn on split view to compare two models side by side. Organize your chats into folders and set custom instructions like reply in bullet points or give me a table. You're in full control. And that's it. Full AI power right on your own PC. No subscriptions, no limits, no data leaks. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.